Hello everyone, welcome to today's webinar. I am Product Manager Brian. Today's topic is talking about smart retail and the security system with AI technology and how AI can improve accuracy and performance. And this is today's agenda. First, I will share the AI market trend and opportunities. By AI technology, the people detection and identity recognition accuracy is more improved for smart retail and security. So I will introduce some advantages of face recognition with AI, and the next is the advantage of Intel solution. And then I will introduce AI in IEI AI Mustang series product roadmap and the IEI AI Ready embedded system. And let's go to the first part, AI market trend and opportunities. And this chart is a statistic of the most promising AI startup from the CB Insight website. By analyzing the AI 100 from 2018 to 2020, and the vertical axis is the number of new AI creations, and the horizontal axis categories the applications of monitoring in different fields. And the different color bars indicate the annual change in the number of AI startups in each application field. As the chart shows, especially in retail transportation, there is a significant upward trend. And these industries are closely related to image processing. So we can classify these industries into surveillance applications. There are more and more AI startups get into surveillance market, means there are a lot of opportunities to develop it. And this is an academic statistical analysis table. As we can see, the market value of the global surveillance in 2019 is $34 billion, and the compound annual growth rate is nearly 16%. It is expected to reach $82 billion in 2025. The growth close to 2.5 times. And this shows that the AI market trend in the surveillance field is strong. So the surveillance market is definitely a field that worth your attention. And in this chart, the horizontal axis is market demand, and the vertical axis is technical support maturity. In the right below corner, the autonomous navigation has very high market demand. But from the technical point of view, still have many tasks need to break through. And in the left below corner, the checkout free in retail, the market demand and the technical support are low. So it's still hard to expand this scenario to the field in this moment. And in the right upper corner, the face recognition, medical image classification, and the edge computing applications. Both have high market demands and sophisticated technology. And the face recognition technology with AI can be adopted into smart retail and security with more technical support and market demand. So that more and more smart city applications uses AI technology. Now the next part is the advantage of face recognition application with AI. And how AI improve face recognition? Usually AI deep learning algorithm. The face recognition performance and the capability improved significantly. We compare some factors in AI algorithm and the traditional algorithm, such as accuracy, view angle, use the scenario, processing time. AI is better in all factors due to the limitation of the traditional recognition algorithm. And with AI algorithm, we have better performance, so we can process more video input in retail application. We can install a lot of cameras to monitor all fields to analyze the hot zone of VIP member, and we can do accurate advertising. Use the camera in the entrance, we can detect VIP members, so front desk can greet customer immediately. And in the store area, we can monitor which room has more customers staying and analyze which product is attracting customers. And also via the analyze system, it can pop out the proper advertisement to the right person to promote products when a customer pass by. And in the security application, we can use the system as access control, attendance system, and restrict area control. When a person comes in, the system can verify that are they a VIP or staff or blacklist member or unknown visitor. And if undesired person comes in, the system will send an alarm to the security to check the identity. And these are our software partners who focus on identity check application. First is Gorilla Technology, who is focusing on smart city application, such as intrusion detection, pedestrian detection, and people counting, license plate recognition, and line cross detection. The second one is CyberLink, who is focused on access control and security application. With the face recognition algorithm, CyberLink FaceMe can verify person's ID in attendance system in very high accuracy. And both use cases use IEI Flex BX200 AI Dev Kit with Mustang V100 MXA VPU accelerator. And the next section is why IEI choose Intel solution due to some advantages of VPU accelerator. The Mustang series have several advantages that makes Mustang a perfect choice for AI inference application within Intel OpenVINO Toolkit and the VPU accelerator. First is OpenVINO Toolkit support both Linux and Windows OS. If the existing system supports Windows and the customer wants to add AI into existing system, it's very convenient and easy to implement AI tasks into their existing system. And the second, heterogeneous. OpenVINO integrates all Intel accelerators from CPU, integrate GPU, BPU, and FPGA. So we can run different applications in different AI accelerator hardware simultaneously via OpenVINO Toolkit to optimize AI workload. And the next one, Mustang VPU series with very compact size form factor for edge computing. We have M.2 and mini PCIe form factor with 1 core or 2 cores VPU. And it's suitable for drone, a robot, a smart camera. And we can adapt in the compact size systems such as ITG100AI or DRPC embedded system. Also, the PCIe form factor with more VPU on board can afford more workload. And VPU performance can be scalable. For example, we use the most famous topology such as VGG, ResNet, MobileNet, and SqueezeNet to do some experiments. In this chart, we can see when we add one more core of VPU, the performance improves around 2 times. It's almost linear growth of performance. So if I have 8 or 16 cores of VPU, it can be 8 times or 16 times of performance improvement. And here is our Mustang Accelerator series with Intel Mobileus VPU. And for now, IEI has the most complete Intel Mobileus VPU product line in the market, all series with very low power consumption. The Mustang V100 MXA with 8 cores of VPU and only 25 watts. The Mustang V100 MX4 with 4 cores of VPU and only 15 watts. The Mustang M2BM MX2 and the Mustang MPCIe MX2 with 2 cores of VPU and only 7.5 watts. The Mustang M2AE MX1 with 1 core of VPU and only 5 watt power consumption. And next, also Mustang products can assign multitask to different VPU cores. If we have 8 cores, we can assign and execute 8 topologies simultaneously. In the right pictures, for example, we can assign 4 cores for face detection, 2 cores for object detection, and 2 cores for license plate recognition. It's very convenient to deploy multitask to optimize the AI workload. So this is all advantages of Intel AI solution: cross-platform, heterogeneous, compact size, and distributed computing, and the scalability. And all of advantage I mentioned above, we can conclude that what field is suitable for VPU product, such as smart city, door access, digital signage, a retail store. Those fields need a lot of cameras, so it needs powerful AI accelerators, such as Mustang V100 MXA VPU products. And the next part is IEI's AI-ready systems. IEI cooperate with Intel and work very closely with Intel AI project team. Our AI accelerators got started from Intel Intel Movidius VPU. IEI launched 4 portfolios of form factors, from MDA to mini PCIe to high density PCIe card. Currently, IEI co-work with Intel and prepare to launch the next generation VPU named Kingbei in next Q1. And furthermore, the latest news is IEI was selected as a partner to co-develop it in new project, which is focused on server-grade application in the near future. IEI work tightly with Intel and launched a series of AI developer kit with OpenVINO toolkit and accelerator card. The first generation is Tank AI Dev Kit with Mustang VPU card, and the current generation is Flex with Mustang V100 Mirror-X VPU card. The advantage of Flex AI Dev Kit is multiple card application. Our customers already use this platform with 4 Mustang V100 VPU card to achieve multi-channel retail applications. And the next generation will come in soon with Flex and the Kingbei VPU, which can provide more computational density. Those high capability AI systems with pre-installed Mustang accelerator card and the Intel OpenVINO toolkit can help you to accelerate your AI project development. And this is the first developer kit have certified by Intel, Tank AI Dev Kit. Tank AI Dev Kit with the rich I/O such as RS-232 for A5 and the GPIO for end users to control automation devices. Also using the 6th generation and 7th generation Core i and Xeon CPU, and also pre-installed Mustang V100 MXA VPU accelerator. And also the Linux Ubuntu 16.04 with OpenVINO toolkit. It's ideal for factory automation user scenarios. The next one is Flex BX200 AI Developer Kit. This is the second generation of DevKit certified by Intel as an AI DevKit. And this system is suitable for retail application because in retail uses multi-channels to cover a whole field and need more powerful system to support heavy workload. Inside this system, we pre-install a Mustang V100 MXA VPU accelerator and the Linux 18.04 OS, and with OpenVINO toolkit. And the FlexBX200 AI use 9th generation Core i series CPU, and support up to 4 PCIe expansion slots, so that we can insert maximum 4 Mustang V100 MXA accelerator card 2, and can support up to 16 channels camera input. And also support to M.2 M-key PCIe by 4 slot, and the Wi-Fi A02.11 AC signal. AI provide 4 portfolios of AI systems which can fulfill different AI workload for customers' application. For multiple channel application, you may select FlexBX200, which can install up to 4 Mustang V100 MXA VPU card, and can support 16 to 32 channels of video input. For the applications around 8 to 16 channels, we will suggest Tank AI DevKit. We also provide a compact size and fanless IPC ITG100 AI, and pre-install the Mustang MPCIe MX2, which has 2 cores of Mirror-X VPU on board, and to help you to achieve your lightweight 2-channel AI tasks. And the right-hand side column indicates our software partners using Mustang VPU card and the maximum channel in different applications, such as retail, the people counting, attendance system, and the license plate recognition for your reference. Okay, if you are interested in the AI applications which leverage Intel Vision Accelerator solution, you may refer to the information to contact either Intel or IEI as well. Our team will help you to find suitable hardware solution for your project. And you may refer to the below link for Intel's global human rights principles. IEI and Intel are committed to respecting human rights and avoiding complicity in human rights abuse. Intel and IEI's product and software are intended only to be used in applications that do not cause or contribute to a violation of an international recognized human right. For more information, please click on the Contact Intel Representative button on the webinar, or your Intel representative. And finally, it's the legal claim of this presentation. You may refer to the content for the details. This is all I shared today, and thank you for your listening.